Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can translate a word in Google Play Books. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open our Google Play Books application in our phone. And for example, I'm going to read this book, so I'm going to open it. Then I'm going to translate this word. We can tap and hold on the word that we want to translate, and we just need to click on this icon to translate it. Okay, and this is the source language, and this is the target language. And for the target language, here I'm just gonna select Indonesian, and this is the Indonesian translation of this word. Alright guys, and that's how we can translate in Google Play Books. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.